What a huge Easter Monday clash that was. Hawkey's 350th game. We had lightning delays. We had some of the heaviest rain the darts ever played in. A great win by the boys, some outstanding individual efforts. Now we're on to the Western Bulldogs in 5 days' time. So this week's all about recovery. If you want to see what the dart gets up to on a recovery day, the day after a game, stick around, find out, I'll show you. Very cold this one, not so much fun. Back in the hot. Might just stay in this one.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. See what we get up to on the farm. Scratch an eel.
A little bit of hot spa, a little bit of cold ice bars, some treatment. Now off to get a massage and then back to the farm.
You're the most underrated player for the last 5 years.
You reckon?
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
Right spot, great kick, interesting kick.
Oh, yeah. Oh, very good. No worries at all. We'll see you around. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. What a nice comment from that Geelong fan just on the way home here. I don't know what's happening today, but the positivity's just flowing. Another fan's just grabbing some wine for the dart out of his car. Apparently he makes a beautiful drop, so I love me red wine. So your name's Kurt?
Kurt, yeah.
Nice to meet you, Jezza.
You too.
Yeah, tell me about the wines.
That. That's you as well. Take it.
Oh,
because we make
you
wine.
sure?
Yeah, just take
right.
it. Yeah. So I live in Sydney. I make wine in McLarenville.
Yeah, right.
So I just got back. That's my.
So that's a Shiraz.
Grenache.
Yeah.
And that's the wine that we make. So please enjoy.
I will.
It's made my fucking day.
Mate, that's made my day as well.
Hey?
You got a few signatures on it?
Yeah, that was
I haven't
last
signed
year.
it before, no.
Whatever's good. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, let's get one. It's nice.
All right, mate. You
Very
made my
good.
day. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Good luck.
No
for the
worries.
weekend.
See you around. Thank
and
you.
When you open them, let them breathe.
Yeah, I will. I'll tell you what, it's all happening in GMHBA car park this morning. I'm going to be late for my massage. I look rattled from that massage. Hour massage. I get one every week, part of the routine. And then a nice big large latte from that place, Patisserie. Some of the finest coffee in Geelong. Are you reading the menu? You reading the menu? You been cheeky? Smile.
With your sockies.
Smile. Where are your sockies?
Bye.
Daddy's going for a swim. Not looking forward to it. Could be cold. Jeez, the dart's on the extra recovery today. Hello, I see you. Down here in Torquay, beautiful still day. Little bit rainy. I got about 16 lattes sitting in my guts. I have the wrong case for my GoPro, so it's not actually waterproof. I'm gonna have to set you up on the beach here. Oh, excuse the white rig. Holy, I am almost see-through. But that is beautiful in there. Look, Papa, you got your beanie on now. You want to hold this? Hold for Dada. Good girl. Sheesh. We're just out for a walk here at home, back at the farm now. You're probably sick of seeing it from my point of view. Let's see it from Billy's point of view. So he's whacked the GoPro on, haven't you, bud? It's not the prettiest looking setup, but it's going to show people what the farm looks like from your point of view. We'll turn that on, bud. Billy, come here. Good boy. Good game. We now have a GoPro on a sheep, so we're going to see a little bit of a sheep's point of view here. Enjoy the next minute or so. This is called lamb cam. I don't know how many people have put a GoPro on a sheep, but Daddy's definitely done it now. Well, I had fun today and I hope you did too. That's what I get up to the day after a game. A nice little mix between recovery and family time. We like to get out and about and keep active. And now it's time to sit back beside this nice warm fire and enjoy the evening. And plenty more content coming your way. So if you enjoyed that, get on board. I'll see you again soon on another video.